Hey guys, what is up? It's Melanie, and today I am beyond excited to show you my room. If you can tell from the past couple of videos, it's been changing. I've added the last final touches thanks to the Lego group. As you can see, I added some color and I'm so excited to show you guys the rest of my room, as well as some of the fun things that I created with the help of Lego Dot. Other than that, let's get straight into it. This is probably gonna be my last room tour at home for a little while because I'm gonna be packing up and moving to school pretty soon. But other than that, let's get straight into the room tour. Hey guys, welcome to my room. Come on in. So this is a okay, so as you guys can see, I've added a couple little pops of color, and that is a huge thank you to the Lego group, as I mentioned earlier. The main part of it is over here. I'm not gonna make you wait till the end to get over to this. My boyfriend and I had so much fun today creating all of these. Right now we're starting off with the poster. It comes with has these adhesive patches, and this poster actually, if you can kind of see behind me, has perfect squares where you can attach the patches. And so Alex and I are going to create our own little patches to go on it. I'm gonna see who comes up with a better design.
What's happening?
We can just make as many as we want till we make all 5 of them, and then we'll pick our best player.
Best player?
Like which one we like the most.
Okay.
Wait, these are so cute, look.
Oh, I'm gonna use these ones.
Wait.
Whoa, what is in here?
Whoa, I think I'm gonna use this one. I feel like
I'm nervous. You can use this little tool. Pry it off.
So if you're wondering what Lego dots are exactly, the rundown is that Lego dots are a form of Lego play anchored in a tile-based 2D style of building. Lego dots are the ultimate self-expression tool. It gives you the freedom to express your personality and aesthetic in your own individual and creative way. For this first creation, Alex and I are working on this surprise gift from a mystery celebrity. The initials are AC, so if you guys want to guess along with me who the mystery celebrity is, feel free, because I don't even know.
I don't know how to do this.
okay, so I just finished my first adhesive patch. It's kind of cute, right? He's almost there. We got the fan going because we are out here working hard when it is 93 degrees in Seattle, which is not normal to say the least. Just keep this in mind when it comes down to judgment time. I made 3. Alex is on a second one.
Hey.
Could mean many things. He's a diligent worker. He takes his time.
Okay.
This is to show you that you can stretch it out and make it a whole day project. Or you could for the art.
Okay. Mine,
That was really good defending yourself. But
just you wait.
Actually, his look really cool. I'm not gonna lie.
You're gonna wish. Thank goodness. That was almost a huge mishap. She used all the blue, dark blue dots like that. Oopsie. And I wanted more of them. But thank goodness, available for purchase on lego.com is extra dot. Catastrophe avoided.
Alex, you're a natural at this.
Yeah, don't put that in.
Want to show your favorite one? Oh, yours are cool.
You like this one?
Right. I really don't like this one, but I made it pepperdine colors.
Don't.
I really kind of like this one.
This one's okay.
No, but compared to the other ones, I definitely like the other one.
This one's really cool.
Yeah, I think that's my favorite one. I told him before this, I was like, all I can think of is flowers. Like, you don't like the other one?
This one?
I think that one's cool too.
You do?
Yeah, I like it.
Thanks.
Alex was making them. He was like,
I'm not at symmetry.
But look at that. You proved symmetry wrong.
Oh yeah. Try to make it look like an eyeball.
Oh.
Like a abstract one.
I didn't get the eyeball, but I think it's cool. The Lego group really helps individuals to express themselves creatively. As you can see, we got a poster and then we actually added to it ourselves because with Lego, make mess-free art and you can continue to recreate it. See it by the little sign that we made. Okay, so we're tag teaming a bit. We split up, but Alex is working on a new project, which is a big board, and he's writing out a little Bible verse for us. So I'll show you in a second, but we do like a weekly Bible study, and so we're using one of our verses that stood out to both of us, and he's writing it on the board to put in my room.
Everyone expresses themselves in different ways, and Lego dots help provide a creative outlet no matter what form of self-expression works for you and whatever aesthetic you have.
There your treasure is there.
This can especially be shown through the type of room decor, such as quotes, because you could cater the quote to whatever you want it to say, obviously, and design it with whatever colors and aesthetic you
What the? How are you so fast? I did 2 letters. There will your heart be also. So maybe you do heart be also.
We had so much fun making this, but this is also really cool because we can change the verse on it, make this a little word board basically, so you can put whatever you want on it. Fun way to decorate your room. But other pieces we made, such as this box. I'm starting on my next project, which is the Lego dot box. Big box, actually. I'm actually really excited for this one because it's very, like, you can be creative with it, and it's room decor, but it's also very practical. As you can see, it's a big box.
Not only can you change up quotes, but you could also change up artwork and patterns, such as what I created on this box, if you want to change it as your room changes.
Oh, it like connects. Oh, that's cool.
Right?
These little nubs on each side make it so it comes together. What would you put in here?
I just finished a box. Very cutesy. But look at that. I wrote our names on it because you can actually write letters with these things, which is so cool too. And then on the sides, I put these little tulip-esque looking flowers. I thought it was cute. It's actually very useful because you can open it and hold stuff in it, although I have nothing in it so far that we decorated and also wrote on. Or this one I made, which has little flowers on
I
it.
love that with Lego brand, things are fun to make, but also so fun to style in your room, and you can cater it however you'd like.
Ta-da! In order to make this, I spilt this all over myself, and you guys missed it. You know I'm going to incorporate flowers somewhere. But huge thank you to the Lego group. I had so much fun for this collaboration and working with them, because if you guys know, creativity and doing things like this is right up my alley. Honestly, the ideas are kind of endless. There are so many different things you can make. But for the rest of my room, if you've been here on my channel for a long time, I used to do this thing where I'd switch up my room all the time. And when I say all the time, I mean twice a week, 3 times a week even. But since, I don't know when the last time I did a room tour was, but since the last time, I haven't changed as much just because I'm off at college. I just don't have the energy for that anymore. But I'm gonna go through kind of broadly over what my room looks like right now. I kind of tried to go for a little bit like cleaner, more minimal, just so that like when I come home from college and there's a bunch of stuff my parents put in my room, I'm not already stressed out with all the room decor. Over here, I have my big purse wall. I think it's cute. It's also very practical because I can just grab whichever purse I want for the day of. It keeps them like in good condition too. Otherwise, I would shove them in a box somewhere and it probably wouldn't be great for them. Over here, I have my desk. So this is where I used to do schoolwork in high school. Honestly, now I just use it for makeup. You can tell by this light, this big, like, very flashy light. It gets really bright. I also use it for editing. It's great for late night editing because I can edit until literally 5 a.m. and I don't know what time it is because this thing's so bright. I have all of my regular use makeup, my more facial products up here, and then down here I basically only wear eye makeup, but that's where all that stuff is. And then all of these drawers give you a quick little flash, but they're not the most organized right now. But this is a realistic room drawer. I have a lot of school supplies in these ones. And then I have some books, regular use books, journal, glasses, that stuff, other school things. And then these 2 bottom ones are like kind of messy, but they make sense to me. It's mostly like my filming camera stuff. This one I don't really touch. It's like batteries that I don't use that much. But this corner, not that much. I just have this hamper. It doesn't actually have dirty clothes. It has swimsuits in it. Over here, this is my closet. Doing pretty well. I cleaned it out. Doesn't really look like I cleaned it out. I do like to color coordinate stuff because it's very appealing to the eye. I do have a lot of folded stuff here, and then I shove like these little things down here of like workout clothes that I don't use that much. That's what that looks like. It's probably the most viewed part of my room other than my intro spot. I've had these vines for so long. They were like an investment and I've used them in like all my different room decoration styles, but right now they're around my closet and I like them. I'm not the best with real plants sometimes, so these ones really handy. Also, don't know how you'd get a real plant around your closet like this. Also, Christmas lights. I know that's a very like 2012 Tumblr phase thing, but I kind of just never left that, and I like the night lighting. I like it still, so that's fine. This corner over here is the most simple, I guess. It's very gold, very a little more dainty, a little more elegant. These drawers have a mix of things. I have some folded t-shirts. This is kind of like wallet, cameras and stuff, and then I have more clothes like sports bras, more workout stuff. This is like tank tops, but basically a bunch more clothes. I have my guitar and my ukulele that I unfortunately don't pick up very often anymore. I have this little mirror, which is more for decoration than it is for actual use. Over here, I have this cute little photo frame that I actually thrifted. I think it's really adorable and unique. And then I have these two shelves. I have fake plants on both of them. A little candle that I don't really use because I don't really use candles. Some photos on this lower shelf. This is a little mirror. I don't really use this either, but I think it's cute. And then this has some jewelry. It's more of the jewelry I don't wear super often. Very handy. It holds a lot. And then this is strictly gold jewelry. It's also stuff I don't wear that much other than these earrings, and I have to like take everything off and lift it up. But the stuff on top of here, like the perfumes, I use all the time. Over here I have jewelry that I wear like a lot more. It's a little bit more like statement necklaces and whatnot. Bracelets here, earrings, rings. Here I have this little sun lamp. I don't know if you can tell. It's quite bright. I have my speaker. It lights up. Okay, I thought it wasn't gonna light up, but it lights up. It kind of like dances when I play music, which I think is really fun. I use this all the time. This, haven't used in a while, but it's like a lap. Look at this. Wait, it's not working. It's like a lap desk. If you want to like eat in bed, edit in bed. I kind of have to move away from the doing stuff in bed because I just fall asleep. And then this thing, don't really want to go into it. It's a bit messy, but this is like photos and stickers. And then this has like accessories. It has like scarf, some hats, sunglasses, belts. Here is my giant mirror that everyone knows and loves. And then I have this little mini bookshelf thing. I actually really like this. And I kind of touched this up a bit. I just filled it all with books, and it used to hold like, I don't know, computer phone cords and random junk. It holds a couple of my purses on the side, some cameras. This is my one plant. Doing pretty well actually. It's getting pretty long, as you can tell. I like strung her all up and stuff. She's doing her growing. Honestly, credit to my dad because he waters her while I'm at school. So that's like most of her life so far. I have this thing. I think it was from Trader Joe's. Thought it was cute. It's the only other plant. This is just my bed. From the last time you saw it, when I used to do a lot of my intros, I had a crap ton. So many pillows and stuffed animals. Kind of narrowed that down. Then I have this little frame wall that I made, and I had these other posters. I don't know if you can tell, but I had these plant posters up. I decided to like chop one up and like put it into frames. I was inspired by these frame walls that I keep seeing mostly on Pinterest, and I wanted to kind of like recreate it. I wanted to add to it. I just haven't really because it started and then I just, but you know, maybe it'll keep growing. But honestly, I think it's cute as is. I added a little mirror. Then I have a fake plant right there, and it's a little macrame thing. Then I have my two Lego pieces up, and then I have my YouTube plaque, of course. And then back to my desk, because we made a full circle. This side has my Lego box, and then I have this, which is just a cup full of my regular pens and whatnot. I have my little flower coaster that I put whatever coffee or drink I'm using. And then in these drawers, I have mostly makeup in the first three. And then down here, this is some like hair accessories. And down here, apparently I have piggy banks. I think I have receipts too. Not really sure. But, okay guys, well that is it for my room tour today. Thank you so much for joining me here, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it gave you some creative inspiration for your room, or that it was just fun to watch. But other than that, it was so nice talking to you guys again for a little bit longer than my little voiceovers and whatnot. Other than that, make sure to subscribe and check out the Lego brand and all the things mentioned in this video. I'll have more information down below, and also check out my other socials and stay tuned here, or let me know what else you guys want to see as I move back to school and all the videos to come. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!
know you wanna leave, so come on, baby, be with me so happily.
Look, when your Lego gets stuck, you can use this little tool. Ooh, ew.
Sorry.
Well, this clip, like, it's gonna be tough because all they're gonna be staring at is my big white foot.
I forgot I was gonna stop.
Another one of these.
Wow, there's more colors. We're stupid. Is it bad lighting here? Is it okay? Where's the lighting the best right now?